katuan nga na-meet ni kag balik gikan sa una classmate na sa grade 6 nga sige lang tika og awayon, sige lang tika bulihon nga niabot sa high school nga makita gyapon ta sa mangga pero wala ko'y pakialam sa imong so isa man kataan wala pero pag-abot sa college dito ko yung isulat gyud sa Ginoo ang ato ang relationship no love story.
I've been counting down the days, standing by on here just waiting for you. I'm already on summer break, so please do not delay. I'm not packing anything, leave it all behind, I'm free. No worries, save a seat for me. We're flying high, that's how it's gonna be. Up in the air, up in the air. Up in the air, up in the air.
Dahil sa kanang iyang gibuhat na kamaayon sa kalibutan nga iyang hatagan ang lalaki o partner kitang duha nag-aabot kita para sa isa't isa. Salamat jud kaayo, salamat Lord, salamat kaayo sa tanan. I love you with all my heart, with all my soul. You're perfectly perfect to me.
Up in the air, up in the air. Up in the air, up in the air. Up in the air, up in the air. Up in the air, up in the air.
I prayed to God that He would give me a man that I could entrust my heart. But never in my wildest dreams did I imagine that He would give me someone as amazing as you. You have been my strength during times when all that's left for me is to give up. For 7 years, we have waited for this moment, and in the midst of all that, we have been through a lot, Jude. And now, with God's grace, we are finally here. onward, I vow to be your loving and faithful wife. I will be by your side. I'll be your listener. Kay hindi naman dyan kag storya. Your friend. I promise to make our family my utmost priority. Because from now on, it will be us before me and we before I.